Assemble.
What up, nerds? You already know what it is. Another unboxing video, mystery minis. And I've got two. Right, as always, I want this Flame Trooper. We got our IG-88, or IG-11. IG-11, IG-88. I confused the two. We got the Bounty Hunter droid from Season 1 and the second opening. I'm hoping for Flame Trooper. If not Flame Trooper, I'll take Grief Karga, but I mean, they're the last three that I got there. Pretty damn detailed, pretty sick. I'm going with this one first. What we getting, man? What we getting? Come on, Flame Trooper one time. Give me some of that good luck. Here we go. Here we go. Yes, man! Grief Karga. One of the two I said. Look at that. Look at that. Imagine the next one's the Flame Trooper. That'd be epic. So I'm right there next to Mando and Cara. That's where he belongs. My damn dog knocked over my tripod while I was mid-opening this. Anyway, I've kind of already opened it, but I'll just pull it out. Another IG-11. So we've got two now. Oh well, fuck it. Fuck it. The Flame Trooper still eludes me, but you know what? It is what it is. Check our Loki podcast out on the channel that's coming back. We've got one episode up. Anyway, if you like this video, hit that like, hit that subscribe, follow us on Instagram at the Nerd Dimension 89 and turn those little bell notifications on. Anyway, you've been watching the Nerd Dimension. Catch you next time.
I don't fear you. Then you will die braver than Bruce.